So you have a comic, you have it finished. Now what are you going to do with it? I mean, one option is to keep it on your iPad and take it around and show everybody. But let's say you want to share it with someone that lives far away. Maybe you want to email it to them. Maybe you want to put it on your Facebook page, or you want to put it on Twitter, or you want to put it in Dropbox, and so you can share it with people that way. Those are the options we're going to look at in this video. I'm still in edit mode in my video, and the first thing you might think of is, wow, we can use that little wrench in the upper right hand corner to do this. Not really. That little wrench is all about printing, setting up the dimensions and the margins of the page and the help feature. So that really does us no good. So I'm going to tap in the blue to get rid of that. And in the upper left hand corner, I'm going to tap my comics. And you might say, Randy, wait, stop, man, there's no save button. You're right, there's no save button. Welcome to the 21st century. I'm going to tap my comics. And now I'm back at my original state. I'm going to tap my comic once. And you see underneath the comic, you see the name of the comic, the date of creation, and time of creation. And you see 4 other options. First of all, let's change the name. I'm going to touch or tap the word retro. I'm going to tap that little X to delete, and I'm going to say Randy's Great Comic. And just hit return. Oops, I'm going to spell my name properly maybe. I'll accept that autocorrect and then hit return. There you go. And there's Randy's Great Comic. Now to share it, I'm going to choose this far left icon with a box and the arrow, and I'm going to press it, and I can either share it via Facebook, Twitter, email, back on the iPad as an image. I'm going to go back to export, but I'm going to say copy to. And in this situation, I'm going to choose copy to Dropbox, which means my file will be online. This says, hey, I want to talk to Dropbox. Absolutely. Click allow. And now it says, do you want an archive or a PDF? Let's say, for example, you're working on this huge comic and you're worried, you've put a lot of work into it, and what if your iPad fell into the river tomorrow? You can back it up this way. An editable version that you can use later to manipulate or use from another device. I am going to choose PDF. Now I have a file online in a PDF version that I can send to anyone I want in pretty much any way I want. Now let's look at those other buttons below the comic. First you have the plus symbol. If you tap the plus symbol, you can either start a new comic, just like pressing the plus symbol at the upper left hand corner, or you can choose duplicate, make a copy of this comic. I'm going to click away. If I click the pencil, I go back into edit mode, so I can now continue to work and add things to my comic. And of course I have the trash bin, which I'm not going to touch, although it does ask me to confirm. It always makes me nervous. But in a nutshell, that's how you get your comic out of comic life and into other things.